The Motorola Edge 50 grows today with some new additions to the lineup. After releasing the Edge 50 Pro earlier this month, the OEM is now introducing the Edge 50 Ultra and the Edge 50 Fusion. Expectedly, the Ultra sits atop the series, while the Fusion is the most affordable version of the three. We will be taking a closer look at the Ultra and its flagship capabilities. After all, this is Motorola's top-tier smartphone for 2024 and offers a ton of premium features, including AI capabilities and Pantone-calibrated display and cameras for more accurate and lively color reproduction. Software. The Edge 50 Ultra is, of course, running on the latest Android 14 out of the box with Motorola's own features baked in. However, don't expect any new groundbreaking features like Samsung and Xiaomi's AI-driven functionalities. Motorola does offer generative AI capabilities for wallpaper customization purposes, but other than that, AI is pretty absent in Motorola's current software. Still, the OEM insists that AI algorithms are implemented throughout the whole system, working in the background. AI-powered algorithms are supposed to optimize performance, battery life and search. Camera. Undoubtedly, one of the Edge 50 Ultra's centerpiece features is the camera. Motorola hosted a special press event in Morocco where we had a chance to try out a pre-production unit of the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra along with the rest of the Edge 50 lineup. The camera samples included here have all been shot in the course of a single day at locations and events organized by Motorola. Wide, main 50MP, 1/1.3 inch, f/1.6, 2.4 m, multidirectional PDAF, laser AF, OIS, 2160p at 60 fps. Telephoto camera, 64MP, f/2.4, 1.4 m, PDAF, OIS, 3x optical zoom, 2160p at 30 fps. Ultra-wide angle, 50MP, f/2.0, 1.28 m, 122 degrees, AF, 2160p at 30 fps. Front camera, 50MP, f/1.9, 1.28 m, AF, 2160 at 30 fps. As always, it's a bit early to tell whether the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra is a good buy, but we can say it's definitely a promising one. It has all the bells and whistles of a true flagship phone while starting at €999, which is considered affordable in today's flagship segment. With time, the price will trend down, and the handset will become an even more enticing option. In any case, despite the promising hardware, a full review will reveal whether the 4,500 mAh battery will be enough for dependable endurance, and it's going to be interesting to see how the new camera system will fare against the competition. The Moto Edge 50 Ultra is expected to come to market by the end of May, and a lot could change in that timeframe. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.